Question 11. Use division to write 7/8 as a decimal. Well, it's going to be a buzz stop method. So the question is it 7s into 8 or is it 8s into 7? Now we're going to do it both ways round, and then we're just going to make sure that common sense allows us to realize which one's right and which one's wrong. So if you're going to do 7s into 8, 7s into 8 goes once, remainder 1, but you can't carry the 1 to an empty column, so you put a 0 to go with it, and then you put your decimal point in. 7s into 10 goes 1, remainder 3. Can't put the 3 in an empty column, so you put a 0 to go with it. 7s into 30 goes 4, that's 28, remainder 2. 7s into 20 goes 2, remainder 6. And 7s into 60 goes 8, remainder 4. 7s into 40 goes 5, remainder 5. 7s into 50 goes 7, remainder 1. 7s into 10 goes 1, remainder 3. And as you can see, this is going to be a horrible long decimal. 7s into 30 goes 4, remainder 2. Now we're starting to, no point going on any further. We could easily round that decimal. We obviously put your decimal point back in. We could round it to 1 or 2 decimal places, but is that even correct anyway? Let's see what happens with the other one. The thing is, common sense should tell us that this can't be correct because 7/8 is less than 1 whole. So our decimal answer of 1.1, that's more than 1 whole. So this basically cannot possibly be right. And the reason why it's not right is because we've done it the wrong way around. Instead of doing 7s into 8, we need to do 8s into 7 because 7/8 means 7 divided by 8. So we need to be dividing by 8, and that's why 8 goes in front of the buzz stop. So this is what we need to do instead. 8s into 7 won't go, but you haven't really used the 7, so you carry the 7, and you can't put the 7 in an empty column, so you put a 0 to fill the empty column. And you can't make 7 into 70 because this now says 70, so you need to put a decimal point in. 8 into 70, 8 8s 64, that gives you 6 left over. Can't put the 6 in an empty column, fill it in with a 0. 8s into 60 is 7, remainder 4. Can't put the 4 in an empty column, fill it in with a 0. 8s into 40 goes 5 times. Final answer, 0.875. So you always put the number on the bottom of the fraction in front of the buzz stop, and the number on top of the fraction goes inside the buzz stop.